Okay, here at this Quimby home. Super beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go out here. So what Frank was saying was right now, you just have kind of this spot to park. So what we were talking about was obviously turning this kind of into like a little garage or like a carport. Obviously you could do it on this side, kind of wherever it's feasible, or you could do it in the back. And then, kind of you could do a covered walk, like a covered path if needed. So this is just xeriscape. Looks like there is a sprinkler system. This is the side yard here. But, I mean, this is all, pretty native plants. So low maintenance, which is always a plus. So exterior paint and siding looks new. It is on a foundation, which I don't see any cracks visibly. I've walked the whole property. Windows look nice. New AC. I mean, everything to the eye looks cared for and maintained, which is a nice. Okay. So you have this little entryway, the closet, pretty original door, I would say. Really beautiful floors. At some point they've been buffed and restained. Okay, so right off the living room this would be the master. You could easily fit a king size bed in here. Okay, and closet. Yeah. Arched. Nice fireplace, like large fireplace, real rock, built-ins. This would be the second bedroom. It's kind of nice that the bed is up there. Obviously, you wouldn't have to keep it there, but it does get it off the ground. You could have another bed in here. There'd be plenty of space, or obviously an office, a desk of some sort. Beautiful windows. Okay, so this is the kitchen. So cabinets are all original, or at some point, like if they were updated, it was, obviously a while ago, but everything's been taken care of. Like it does feel clean. I like from the stove, which is gas, you can see all the way through the house. So if you had people over, this space would feel really good. And then you have this amazing little breakfast nook here. That's extremely dreamy and very unique. Okay, so this is the only full bathroom in the house. There is a half bathroom, but this is the only full bathroom. Really cool sink. Another skylight, tiled shower. This doesn't look like original tile, but obviously maybe, 70s, 80s. Okay, that's the only full bathroom. Back here is a laundry room, which this is actually a very generous sized laundry room for a 1,200 square foot house. You could also put additional cabinets in here and make even more pantry space if that was something that you needed. And then you have this little half bathroom, which this is in a nice location because it's just kind of away from the kitchen. And if you needed, you know, guests could go in here for a little bit more privacy. Okay. Outside is a large porch. This whole thing is a wood porch. Here's a side yard. The whole property is fenced. There's a huge tree. And then here's about a 215 square foot. Could be a home office. It could be, you know, a little business ran out of here. It could be a bunker room. So there's just power and heat. Really, really beautiful hardwood floors, actually. Let me get a better picture of the hardwood floors. These are just gorgeous. Okay. Really unique, extremely eclectic. You know, these don't come up that often. I would say the downside of this house is the garage. Like, there's no covered parking. Obviously a carport or a garage could easily be built, especially in the front of the house. Let's go over here. Like, siding, foundation, I don't see any cracking. Obviously, I don't know what the interior bones look like, but just cosmetically, the house really looks like it's been taken care of. Okay, well, that's the cute little house on Quimby.